Hi guys, welcome back to the show. My name is Brad. This is the Firefighters Financial Toolbox. I'm going to do my monthly dividend portfolio update. But first I want to start out with what's going on in the S&P 500. As you know, that's the one that I track the most. Here we're looking at the 1 day, and yesterday it did go down, folks. Closed at about 3,009.56, so just barely over 3,000, which really isn't horrible. But if we look at what we did this month, you see we're actually below where we started the month off. Yeah, about where we started the month off. You see it got up to a high point here on June 8th of 32.32, and then it went down and we hit what was basically the low at 3,002, and now we're almost right back there at 3,009. Year to date, you can see we were up. Of course, it cratered down with the coronavirus, and we've been steadily coming back. And we were doing pretty well. And this last week or so, we just kind of dropped off. So certainly not the end of the world, but stocks are mostly back to where we wanted, but we're working on it, you guys. So just keep investing, all right? All right, let's take a look at my portfolio. All right, you guys, here we are in my Google Sheets that I keep track of all my dividends for the month. I had a pretty good month this month. In fact, the biggest month that I've had this far. $107.58 in dividends. As you guys know, the dividend stocks that I have about 20 in total. They make up a very small portion of my total portfolio. But I've been enjoying seeing the dividend amounts rise as I get more and more shares. I do have 3 different accounts that I have dividend stocks in. I have my primary account is my M1 Finance account, which we'll look at in a second here. I also have a small brokerage account with Vanguard, as well as a small brokerage account with Ally Invest. Most of my portfolio is with Vanguard. The rest of my Roth IRA, and of course all my ETFs in my brokerage account are also at Vanguard. The individual stocks are sort of my play money. I do keep them long term, but they're a little bit different. So let's take a look at this month. As you can see, we're going to go through and talk about each company that I got it from. But as you can see, I got a dividend from ADM, Archer Daniels Midland, for $2.04. My monthly payer, AG&C Investment Corp, that was $3.59. Bank of America paid me $7.20. Crown Castle International for $3.64. Johnson & Johnson, $20.55. McDonald's, $4.80. 3M, $3.64. Realty Income, that's my other monthly dividend payer for REIT. That was $5.66. Pfizer paid me $7.60. Public Storage pays me $6.04 this month. I did get $1.53 from Visa. Walgreens paid me $4.46. Waste Management paid me $3.48. Walmart paid me $1.95. Aqua International, that's my water purveyor, paid me 95 cents. And Exxon paid me my biggest dividend of the month of $30.45. All right, let's take a look and break this down a little bit. We look at my dividend tracker. You guys, I got this dividend tracker spreadsheet from Investing Sensei. If you haven't checked out his channel, go over there and check him out. He allows you to download this for free, which is a pretty cool tool. You just have to put your numbers in. And you can see each month my dividends and quarters are going up and up and up. So as you can see in the blue is tracking last year's, and the reds are tracking 2020's. You can see for the month of June, it's the biggest month that we've had, as I said, so far. And we're already ahead for the year in dividends at the end of June than we were at the end of the year last year. So we're doing better. And they keep going up and up and up, you guys. All right, let's take a look at my M1 Finance first. I do have 2 portions of this. I have a taxable account here, a small one, you guys, $4,815. This is where I put in my weekly $100 each week, and you can see that this week we had 2 buys. The week before we had 3 buys. The week before that we had 1 buy, and on the first day that we put it in this month, actually we had a couple of days there that we bought. So we'll take a look at the total portfolio in a second, but the dividends I received from my M1 account here was Waste Management. I do have a couple of shares of Realty Income in this as well. You guys, I bought it in here because it was on sale. I don't like to keep REITs in my taxable account, but it was down and I was already maxed out for my Roth IRA, so I wasn't able to put those in. I am going to transition those in next year. I got a dividend from McDonald's, as I said, from Walgreens, 3M, and Archer's Daniel Midland. If we take a look at the total portfolio and the holdings, you can see that got some red on the board there. McDonald's took a pretty good drop this week. Walgreens has been down. I've been buying that price down pretty good. I also do have one ETF in here, you guys. I wanted a little bit more small cap, so I added VBK, which is the Vanguard Small Cap Growth. I don't count that in my total for my dividends, but it's in there. If we take a look at my Roth dividend portfolio, I do have a small part of my Roth is in here. It's $3,144. And the only activity is at the beginning of the month, we did get a small $1.53 dividend from Visa. Obviously not adding to that because I've already maxed out the Roth for the year. It does have a cash balance, but in the Roth on the M1, you have to have a minimum of 25 before it reinvests, which is kind of a bummer, but anyway, it's there. If we take a look at my Vanguard account, we'll see that. Oh, let's talk about my couple of things here. So as you can see, VYM is down to only $931.13. You guys, the reason that is last month I did a little tax loss harvesting. I had about a $2,000 loss in that account, and so I sold it, most of it. I kept a little bit, and I bought VIG, which is a Vanguard Dividend Appreciation. And you see that has a balance of $49.23.93. I did get one dividend from the leftover amount of shares that I have in VYM for $10.06, bringing my Vanguard brokerage total for dividends to $5,855.06. I talked about the dividends that I got from Realty Income, AGNC, Public Storage, and Crown Castle, making my Vanguard Roth total for dividends $2,641.26. That brings my Vanguard dividend total up to a total of $8,496.32. Looking at my Ally account, Ally had a little bit of action in it as well. I did get 3 separate dividends this month, one from Pfizer, one from ExxonMobil, and one from Bank of America, as we said. Bank of America was $7.20. The ExxonMobil was my big one at $30.45, and Pfizer was $7.60. My brokerage account at Ally is all dividend-paying stocks, and it has a total currently of $9,402.48. All right, you guys, bringing our grand dividend total to $25,871.30. So we are down over last month, you guys, but that's all right. Hey, if you got something out of this and you're appreciating the dividend portfolio updates, you guys, do me a favor, drop me a like. It really helps the algorithm. If you're not already subscribed, you guys, hit that red button, ring the bell. You get notified each time I make a video. I make at least one a week, and we'll see you again. All right, thanks a lot.